Okay, shifting our focus now to the wedding everyone's watching out for all of today. Wedding celebrations of Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda officially begun. The couple are preparing to tie the knot today in Udaipur. The festivities kicked off with haldi preparations taking center stage, and what you see on your screens are some of the images shared by the couple on Instagram.
Right, and the couple shared a glimpse of this intimate ceremony through their latest Instagram stories, as Kritsween just mentioned. The images reveal this beautifully styled outdoor haldi venue adorned with all these lush floral arrangements. You can see the vibrant decor on your screens right now.
Although neither Rashmika nor Vijay appeared in the photographs, the first visuals from their wedding celebrations were enough to send fans into a frenzy, with excitement soaring across social media. And that's one thing social media has been obsessed with, isn't it, him?
Absolutely. I think it gives them a lot of idea into the trends and what's going on, really. And for more on this, we have Simran Babbar live with us from Udaipur. Simran, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. What's the mood like there?
Well, absolutely. For the 4 days in Udaipur, where the cultural and in fact the regal ceremonies have been taking place at the ITC by mementos of the wedding couple Virosh here, it has been a completely private and exclusive affair that we have seen. Both of them have kept the complete arrangements very private. None of the pictures have actually featured either Rashmika or Vijay, but both of them have given some glimpses through their pictures that have been posted on Instagram. And the stylist friend Shravya Verma has also in fact given a glimpse of how the friends have gathered through the Instagram pictures on the stories, is what we have learned. But in Udaipur, it is dazzling for the wedding. Today is the day when the wedding festivities have already in fact begun. The traditional wedding that was supposed to be taken in consideration with both of the traditions of Kodavi and also Telugu tradition earlier as planned, by respecting both the tradition for the wedding that has started, and in Udaipur, as in fact serene and pristine the location is, the wedding has already in fact been in place for today, and on the 4th of March is going to be the day where the reception for the grand film industry is going to be taking place in Hyderabad.
Okay, very quickly, Simran, you're telling us it's a private affair, and we were hoping for some snippets in your background. Maybe that's not happening, I believe. Simran, do tell us though whether you've seen, any of the couple's friends, colleagues, celebrities, anyone from Bollywood make their way in and out. Any behind the scenes you'd like to share?
Well, absolutely. In fact, as I have been here and all the guests have started coming from airport, and we of course saw, and we saw Sandeep Reddy while coming to the airport, and also many other friends from the Telugu industry were there, because the cap has been kept only to a limited 100 people to be present at the venue. There were Sangeet performances the day before and Haldi performances yesterday, as the planning of the arrangements has been taken place. But because of the venue being located at such a far off destination in Udaipur as well, it is at a remote location. There are network issues as well, and also in fact it is very far from the airport. The people from the guest or the family have started coming from a day before yesterday in fact only, and now as the wedding rituals have already started, the couple has already in fact played a different sort of games as well for the friends and the families just a day before, with including the cricket game and also the volleyball game named as the Virosh Premier League as well.
Okay.
That has been the kind of a private yet very exciting affair for the fans of Virosh that this wedding has actually witnessed.
All right, Simran. Well, thank you so much for the latest on this. Of course, we're relying on you to get us all inside scoops on this through the course of the day as well. Thank you so much. Now, as wedding bells ring for Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna, we also decided to take a look back at the moments that fueled Virosh rumors. Matching beanies, familiar backdrops, playful confessions kept fans guessing for years. Here's a rewind for you.
Cupid's favorite Tollywood pair, Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna, are now just hours away from screaming "I do" after keeping the fans guessing for years. Now, with their pre-wedding festivities reportedly kicking off in Udaipur ahead of their big February 26 wedding at ITC Mementos, we decided to take a look at the top 5 times Vijay and Rashmika low-key teased us with their lovey-dovey moments. First up, of course, is the Oman birthday mystery. As Rashmika rang in her 29th birthday, she dropped dreamy sun-soaked pictures from Oman. And guess what? Just a day later, Vijay casually posted his own beachy snaps. The timing, suspicious. The scenery, identical. So, of course, fans didn't need a detective degree to connect the dots. Then came the beanie saga of 2023. Vijay posted a video from New York sporting a bright pink beanie. And just months later, Rashmika celebrated International Women's Day wearing what looked like the exact same cap. Let's be honest, that's too much of a coincidence, no? Or maybe that's what we call a perfect soft launch? This one was hiding in plain sight. In May last year, Rashmika shared stunning photos in a vibrant yellow sari, calling everything in the frame irreplaceable. Naturally, fans zoomed in. The backdrop looked eerily similar to the interior seen in Vijay's social media posts. Speculations ran wild. Was the sari gifted by Vijay or perhaps his mum?